Hello guys, I hope you are well. I'm back again with another video, and with this one, because of the cardio core challenge that we are going to be doing, and some people have already started the orientation, which means you must be trying out these exercises. You can find them on my YouTube channel. You can find them. Some I'm posting some shorter clips, so wherever you find, try these exercises. And let's go to the most important thing, the equipment. Okay, so we're going to do skipping. That's where we're going to do the cardiovascular is also going to be doing skipping. Don't worry if you can't skip. What you can actually do, you will do other exercises that actually activate your cardiovascular, and you can also do visual skipping, but I'll encourage that you learn how to do skipping. I'll do another video and tell you the advantages of actually being able to skip if you can. Okay, it doesn't have an age limit. It's not for boys or girls, men or women. It's it's just like walking. Okay, so on the skipping rope, quick one guys. So tips on the skipping rope, because most people, there's a lot of different skipping ropes, right? It has to be the right size. We'll talk about the length, how, so that you can actually get description. But the most important thing, they're different one. With this one, you see, this is what I call a spinner. It actually rotates while you spin. I prefer this one. This is really old. This is like this is my best friend. I've had this for years, so it's and the skipping rope is actually very personal. I'm like that. I can't just pick anybody's skipping rope. Yes, I will skip with it, but I kind of have the feel that I need to have when I actually hold my skipping rope. And there is also this other one, which you see that the way it's actually, this is not a spinner type. It's almost like it's a fixed thing. Some people prefer that, but I prefer, especially when you are learning, I encourage you to use the spinner one so that you can actually have rotation. I'll also shoot another video where I teach you really what it means when you actually you spin and use your rotation on the whether it's a fixed on your wrist or whether it's a soft on the wrist, how you hold a skipping rope. So now I want you to go. So in this challenge, we're only going to need a skipping rope. So what you need, so when you go shopping for a skipping rope, it matters with the length, okay? So that if it's too long, it actually affect how you're actually skipping. If it's too short, it's going to affect. So you need the right size for you. So if you're taller, you make sure that you actually get, because some of them, they're quite short. So, but be patient. And also they are all made of different materials. I kind of like the medium type, okay? Not too heavy, not too flimsy. And this one you find is this thinner one. Some people prefer the thinner one. And I know there are other people that have got the ones with the timers and whatever. People have made a lot of them. But the most important thing is not really how decorated it is. You need a simple skipping rope that will do the job that you'll be able to actually use. So my recommendation, if you are starting, or even if you've done it, you want to perfect it, use the one with the spinner, just like this one. Okay, so it rotates. And the good thing with also on the fix, you don't want it because you can literally see that it's hollow on the other side. You can literally make your adjustment, right? And you see that it's a fixed thing like that. So this, you can actually shorten it or lengthen it. Most of the skipping ropes, which means you actually have, and it's got a seal on the other side that you can actually pop off. Let me see if I can actually literally do that. Let's see. Okay, my nails. Oh yeah, you see that? So it's got the cap and you can put it back. Okay, so I've lost the other one. It doesn't matter really. So you can do the adjustment. So find something like that so that if you find that even if you buy it, it's too long, and you can actually literally be able to adjust and actually use that. I've had this skipping rope for a long time. Most of my skipping ropes are like this. Okay, so that is it for the skipping rope, guys. So you need to get your skipping rope, and also another thing that you will need is actually a dumbbell, a set of dumbbells, or a set of one dumbbell, lighter to medium weight. Don't go too heavy. I want it because this is the foundation. I said this cardio core, the first one, is a foundation. So it's just stay more in the lighter. If you want intensity, it's loaded with intensity. Don't worry, you'll get enough of that. So that's exactly what I need you to do. Look for a skipping rope. So once we start, I'll give you all the information. I'm working on it. I know that, but like Misty, she wants something perfect. I know there's nothing really like perfect, but okay, I'm just saying I need to give you all the information, the details and everything. So we're almost wrapping up. So do your orientation, look for those exercises, go to the YouTube channel. I've got a playlist there. Try to go through the exercises and actually see which ones you actually tell. Don't worry. The challenge is for you to learn and actually be able to progress. The detail of actually to get where we will actually get, where we say really where you really see your progress as you go. I'll lay you out, I'll give you all the hacks, and also will include nutrition in that so that you are able to go and do this thing. So I'm so looking forward to do this, guys. So information coming in. If you need to get information to be the first ones to actually get the information delivered to your email, send me your email, whichever way on any of my platforms, or just go and yeah, that's the best. Then I will actually send you the links and everything that you need to do. So I'm just polishing up to finish up and do everything for you guys so that you can really remember. And it's free. Okay. Yes, I want free participation. So I wanted something that people can, but it's foundation. I find that in everything, everybody can actually do a skipping rope. If you can't, you can actually do visual skipping, or I want you to learn the basics of all the movement when you actually train. And once you get your core stronger and your back stronger and everything, you see your body is functioning properly and your cardiovascular at the same, which is the foundation. For athletes, we call it conditioning. So we need to condition the body, then we'll start thinking about actually taking it to another level, which we will do. Okay, guys, so enjoy and take care. Don't forget to do your orientation. Try these exercises, which is why I'm posting these shorter clips so that you can actually start understanding what exercises. If you don't know, don't freak out. Keep trying, you will actually get it. Okay, guys, in another video. See you. Ciao.